Have you ever done a Google search on your name just to find that Google shows your exact phone number, your physical home address, as well as maybe your email address and other personal or sensitive information? A huge issue these days is doxing or dox. It's essentially other people revealing personal or sensitive information about other people. You can see Charlie Kirk supporters dox critics on websites. ICE fans dox 6-year-old son. Hackers doxed hundreds of ICE agents, essentially revealing personal information about these people, oftentimes revealing their phone number, their email address, as well as their home address so that people know where they live. However, the cool thing is that on your iPhone or Android, we can prevent Google from showing those sensitive search results. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Again, I'm on my iPhone and my Android, so I'll walk you through the exact steps. So on any device, even if you're on a computer or tablet, just go to google.com. You can see I'm on Safari and Chrome. It doesn't really matter. Once you log in, tap on your profile at the top right. After you've done that, tap on Manage Your Google Account right under your name. You'll be able to see it pops up with a screen that looks like this. Let's scroll down from here and tap on Data and Privacy midway down. Again, scroll down from here towards the bottom and you'll see towards the bottom is the option that says Remove Results About You. Get notified anytime your personal information appears in a Google search and ask Google to remove the results. So I'm just going to tap on that and I'll walk you through the exact steps to do it. You can see I've gone through this process to remove the Google search results for my information. So at the bottom, just tap on Get Started. And you're first just going to add your name. In my case, of course, Trevor Nace. And hit continue. Now it says add personal contact information, at least one type of contact so it can check the results. So first you're going to enter in your home address. And then you're going to enter in your phone number and your email. And I would be as exhaustive as possible on this. So if you have multiple phone numbers, put multiple phone numbers. If you have multiple emails, maybe a personal and a work email, just add your email and hit add another and just keep going down the list. If you have a primary house and a beach house, add both of those addresses. Again, any information that is associated with you, your home address, your phone number, email, put all of that in here and then just hit continue at the bottom. Now, the cool thing is after you've done that, all you need to do is wait for Google to send you some emails. They'll send you an email that said, hey, we found a search result with some of that information. Essentially, what they're looking for is your name and then the exact address that you entered in, or your name and the phone number that you entered in. So all you need to do is to go in there, and once you do see that, you can go in there and you can just request that they remove it from the Google search results. Now keep in mind, it doesn't remove it from the website that contains that information. It just removes it from the Google search results. So if somebody knows to go to that specific website and that specific page, they could still see that sensitive information, but at least it helps to protect your identity, because if people just do a Google search, they won't be able to find that information. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you really like that one too, and thanks for watching.